Are you tired of juggling social media posting across multiple platforms, spending hours uploading images, writing captions, and more manual work? What if you could save time and money and automate it all with just a few clicks? Introducing our Make.com automatically post images to social media from Google Sheets tool. So with Make.com, you create modules with varying apps. So simply click the plus sign here once we're in scenarios, and we can add varying apps such as Google Sheets, and then sign in to our Google Sheets account via our Gmail. And so for this example, I'm going to add a new one, Google Sheets, watch new rows. So when a new row is added to my specific Google spreadsheet, this Make.com tool knows it's time to post to our varying social media accounts. So again, we connect to our Gmail, search by path, search our Google Drive, select our spreadsheet name, select the spreadsheet name within that spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet has header names, select yes, and then select those header name rows. And limit this to one. We only want to run one post at a time. So here's an example. Google Sheet, for example, we have our product URL, our product title, our brand name, the product image URL, then the caption, and the post date. So back to Make.com, we have that selected. Now we go to Router. Router is to repeat this for multiple things. So for example, we've only added Pinterest, but I can click this and then add, say, Instagram or a Facebook page. We're going to add all of our social media accounts. I'll delete that module for now. So first, I want to filter to this Pinterest. What is my filter? Check if posted date is empty. So that's based on this column in our Google Sheet. Then we connect our Pinterest. So we've signed into our Pinterest account for this client. We select our source type. Where are we gathering this post image from? We're pulling it from the Google Sheet product image URL. So this column, product image URL. Leave this empty. We select the Pinterest board name. Select the title for this Pinterest post, and that'll be the product title column. Then the description is our Pinterest caption column. And now the cool thing about this is with Google Gemini, we can have it write it for us automatically. So equals AI, there we go. So prompts Gemini, Google's what to do. So I go write. So whatever your custom column needs, you can have it automatically write it with Google Gemini. For example, write a Pinterest caption for, and then I could click this specific cell, this product title. Then Google Gemini will write this for you. So you can get specific. Say, for example, you want 280 characters, include the hashtag of the brand, things like that. Whatever you want for your custom caption or description, for example. So we've pulled that column here into the description, dash brand. We want to include that brand name in our description, that Carity.com for this client. And then finally, the alternative text is the product title column, product title. And the link for this pin is the product URL. So again, you can update this to whatever your specific company is. Maybe it's a blog post, blog title. And then again, we use AI to create an image for this specific blog title. Remember, equals AI. And we can prompt Gemini for that. So this is good. And then finally, once this is posted, what's the last step in this? We want to update a row in this same sheet. So for the row number, we just add that row number, and we scroll down to the post date. We want to tie this back into our filter check if the post date is empty. So this is the Pinterest post date. We're checking for this filter. So if it's empty, we post to Pinterest. So row number, scroll down, Pinterest post date. We pull that Pinterest information from the created pin. Here it is, created at this specific date. And then we save that. So as you can see, both of these have been posted. And then we go over to this client's Pinterest and we can see that latest product, Not Sorry Hat, has been posted with the specific details pulled right here from the Pinterest caption, has the correct site pulled from product URL, has the correct product title pulled from product title, and of course the correct product image URL pulled directly from the image hosted on their website. So you can see how this will go much quicker once we add Facebook, Instagram, go down the line, and we click run and toggle this on for every 15 minutes. It will automatically make a post on all of our social media platforms every 15 minutes, one at a time. So that limit of one. So once every 15 minutes, it's posting it. So this client, for example, has 1,000+ products. We exported every product URL and we'll finish pasting them all in here. Use AI to fill out all the captions and then simply run this make.com module. So you can do this yourself for free with your make.com account, or you can hire onebvp.com. We've created this for 500+ clients, enabling them to automatically post images to Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook pages, and more via this AI automation.